It's been Valentine's Day this week. Me and John didn't get out detecting last week because the van blew up, but it's all mended now, so hopefully tomorrow we're going detecting. And we've got some gifts for the ladies. Right, finally out digging. First hole on my first find is that. Next find, look, it's in the clump. What is it? Is it a button or a coin? Ooh, sorry. It's a button. Wow, is this a tin lid? It feels strong. Oh my god, I can see things on it. Oh, that looks nice. It's bent in half, whatever it is. But if that's a tin lid, I'll have it any day. Ooh. Oh, that looks kind of nice. I find I just had, it was literally in the top, in the flood. And everyone's walked past here and we think it's silver. I just ran all the way back to the cars to show John. It's like a clip there, look. Woohoo! So my instincts are spot on today. I knew where I was coming today. I did a bit of research on this place and they were all laughing. But who's laughing now? It's nice that. Got like a little clip on the back there. Oh dear, look at that. It's probably a sheep. Right, I didn't really film anymore in the afternoon. I had this huge piece of lead. It's my scrap. Bit of scrap lead. It's probably off a spoon handle. And I had some bullets and musket balls. Some buttons. That lovely little, it's like a brooch, not sure. It's just got a little, at the top, at the back, like a little clip there. So I'm not sure what that's off. It's nice. And then I got that weird buckle type thing. Probably just off a fancy shoe or something. There we are, and that with bobbles on. But I did have a great day. And I gave some small gifts out and received 2 back. And I'll show you them now. I got this, the cheese man. Cute little key ring. Got springy legs. That John stretched one of them. And Howard bought a walkie-talkie. Woohoo!
Power on. 4.
So, how amazing is that? Yesterday's dig, the fields were miles away and I spent most of the morning on my own. But I just left the radio switched on and I could hear what they were finding and where they were. So it was great. So thanks very much for that. So thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing and commenting, and hopefully I'll find you something better next week. Bye for now. Bye.